Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing my Boxycharm unboxing. Before we jump into the Boxycharm, I do have a giveaway going on right now. It ends in just a few weeks, but I'm giving away some Lush Naked skincare. So if you're interested in that giveaway, I will link that video up above. Make sure to check it out. I'm super excited to give some great products away to you guys. But for now, let's jump into Boxycharm. So I did film this video the other day, and I don't know, I've been feeling kind of uninspired with Boxycharm videos recently. I love getting Boxycharm and I love talking about the products from Boxycharm, but I was just feeling kind of like bored with how I've been doing my videos, and so I was trying something different. I was like doing like a no talk video, so I was like opening my box and like showing the products, and then I was trying everything on. And so this took like a long time to make, and I wasn't like super proud of it, I guess. Like I wasn't like, wow, this was a great video. Like as I was doing it, I was like, this feels gross. I don't feel like this is me. And so I'm doing it, but I was like, you know what, this seems like the cool thing to do. I feel like other people do this and it's cool and it's kind of interesting, it's different. And I went to go edit it and it was terrible. Like not only did it just like seem weird for me, but like the footage ended up being awful. It was super dark for some reason. We had a storm roll through that night when I was filming, and it just like was super uneven. Sometimes it was like bright and normal, and then other times it was just like literally so dark that like when I was editing it just wasn't working. I was trying to like make it brighter and it is no good. So I thought I would refilm this and just kind of be like real and be like, I don't know, like I'm talking to a friend, and I'm trying to be better at this. Like I don't want YouTube to be this like fake thing of me just like feeling like I have to do what I feel like I'm supposed to be, or like sound a certain way, or like act a certain way, look a certain way, and I don't want that to be me. And so I don't know, it's not me. So I'm gonna redo this and I'm just gonna be real about these products. I've tried everything so far. I'm not gonna talk about my Boxycharm from last month, which that's something that I normally do as well, is talk about like my Boxycharm from the month before and talk through like some products and how I've been liking them. But I'm gonna do that in a separate video this month just because I'm just feeling kind of off with Boxycharm. And so let's jump into this month's box. The theme is au naturel. And when I saw this theme and like saw this postcard, I was so excited. I love like natural products, which is why I'm giving away Lush products. Like I'm a huge fan of like natural products. I just think for me, my skin reacts better to like natural ingredients and like not super like chemically, but just kind of like basic products. And I typically go for more of like a natural kind of look anyways, except for maybe like my hair. My hair is usually like the one thing that I like to have fun with. And so I was super pumped for this theme. I don't know if the theme, I mean, things are natural-esque. I wouldn't say they're natural ingredients or anything like that. It's more of like, oh, it's a natural look, like a no makeup look. And it's fine, whatever. But this is super cute. I love this little card. So fun. It just looks like French or something. It's really cute. So the first product, I've used this once. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this is like, when you think of like mask, growing up, I thought of like a green face mask. And this is kind of that. Like it has like a little bit of a green tint to it. It does say it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. And so I know there's like some veggies in here, formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. And so I've only used this once. I can't really like give a review of it, which is why I like to talk about my products the next month to give a little bit more insight. But this was a really nice mask, and Elemis is like a really great brand. I've gotten a facial moisturizer from Elemis before from Boxycharm, and that was great. I loved it. So I was excited to see this in the box again. This does retail for $35, which is expensive for a mask, but it's also not like that bad. This is 2.5 ounces, so not a ton, but I felt like I didn't need a lot of this either. Like, it wasn't like a super thick mask. It was pretty thin. I just kind of like smeared it on. I actually put it on with this next product. So we got a Luxie Trio. I don't know. I have no idea. If I saw this word, I would think that says like Gaia, maybe. But then there's like a little pronunciation thing here, and it says like maybe I'm reading this wrong. Gia, maybe? Gia? I don't know. Something strange. But they came in like this little cardboard thing instead of plastic, which is great. And then the brush handles are like a wood instead of plastic. They are pink. They're like a dyed pink kind of. So we got 3 brushes. We got the 510 foundation brush, which this is what I use to put on that mask. I've been really enjoying brushes for masks as of late, and the ones that I have, I think I have 2, and both of them are like a silicone brush, and so I was actually kind of excited to try this as a mask brush. I have not used a foundation brush like this in literally ages. Like, I think one of the first brushes I bought was a foundation brush like this, and I think it was from Revlon. I remember putting foundation on with it and like smearing it, and there wasn't anything else to it. There was no like buffing action. It was just like, and we're covered. And I don't use that now. I guess I could use this as like a applying foundation. Like, I usually will put it on my hand and then just kind of like go in with a brush and then like buff it in. But I guess you could just like take some and like smear it on your face. But I think I'll use this for masks. It was really nice. And then the other 2 brushes we got are eye brushes. The first one is the 250 large eye blending brush. And this is large. It's big. I feel like I did hear someone else say that they would use this as a concealer brush, and that's not a bad idea. I might have to try that. I've used this for my eyes. I did use this today. It's a little large in charge. It's hard to use. There's no precision about it. I guess if you were doing like a really diffused like crease color, it would be good for that. But it's dense too. Like, there's a lot of bristles here, and so it smears big areas. And then the last brush is the 246 Precision Crease Brush. I don't know who's using this in their crease. Maybe I just need to be better at eye makeup. I don't know. I guess you could use this in the crease. I use this as like a brush to pack on shadows or like on my lower lash line. And maybe I should try it in my crease. Maybe I'll get like a different look. If you're going for like a cut crease or something, I guess you could use this. I don't know. I like it. I don't think it'll be like a go-to brush though. The Luxie Trio retails for $30. The next product is from Butter London, and it is this palette. What is this called even? Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It doesn't say it anywhere on here. I guess you just have to keep the pack. Oh, it does actually on the inside. Natural Goddess. You do get a mirror, which is nice, but it's kind of like a hard one to use because the palette's so skinny. You have to like hold it and then get like close up, but then you can't really see anything still. I haven't used every color in this palette, so this is where I feel like the theme takes a turn. So this says Natural Goddess eyeshadow, but there's no naturalness to this beyond just like the color scheme, but it's not like better ingredients or like natural ingredients. And so I don't know. I guess it fits the theme still, but you've got 4 shimmer shades and then 2 mattes. So today I'm wearing this shade, which is called Enchantress. I'm wearing that on like the inner third of my lid as well as the inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'm wearing Queen, which is this next shade over, on like the outer 2/3 of my lid. And Queen was the color that I was like actually really excited for because it looks kind of like a pink, like a pinky shimmery color, but it's way more rose gold than I was hoping for. Like, this is the swatch of it here. And it turns out pretty bronzy. Like, that's got a lot of a gold tone to it, and I wanted it to be more pink. But, oh well. Star is the next shade. I have not used that. I also haven't used this one. I've swatched it. It's called Diva. And it's just kind of like your average gold shade. Like, it's very golden. It's definitely got like an orangey kind of gold tone to it. It's pretty. But I don't typically go for that kind of a gold. And then I am also wearing Temptress here. It's this dark brown. I used that big brush and kind of like diffused it into the outer like third and then up into the crease just a touch. And that one's nice. It does blend really easily, which is great. And then the last shade is Femme Fatale, and this is a blue color that I probably won't ever use. Although I did see Kathleen Lights do her unboxing and try on, and she put like, she did this really pretty like blue halo eye kind of look, and it looked kind of funky but really pretty and different, and definitely not like a look that I've seen anyone else do. And so I kind of want to recreate it, but I'm also terrified and like I don't think I would ever wear it outside, but maybe. And then we did get an eyeliner. This, I've worn this twice now, and I'm pretty happy with this. I usually hate eyeliners when they come in Boxycharm. They usually suck, and they're usually like black liner, and they like are scratchy and sucky. This one is from Appeal, and it's the gel liner, and it's in the shade Desert Taupe. I wouldn't say this is a taupey color. Like, when I think taupe, I think like kind of like an ashy brown color. This is like a warm taupe, I guess, which I guess maybe that's why it's called Desert Taupe. But it's like a really warm brown color, and it's actually really pretty. So this is what I'm wearing on my lower lash line today. And then I just took that small little brush and like blended it out. So I didn't put it in like the waterline, but I put it right along my lower lash line and then blended it out. And I really like the way it looks. I feel like it adds some warmth to my eyes. I do feel like a warm brown like this does play well with my eyes. My eyes are kind of like green, borderline hazel. And I feel like when I use like a warm color like this, it does like make them look a little bit more green. And so I liked that. I think it makes my eyes look really pretty. I didn't talk about prices. This palette retails for $32, which isn't bad. I mean, you get 6 shades. I wouldn't pay $32 for it. I mean, that's definitely not a palette I would like pick out anyways, but I don't think I would pay $32 for 6 shades like that. I don't know. Maybe I would. Probably not though. And then the eyeliner retails for $21. I feel like that's pretty expensive. I do feel like I already need to sharpen this after like 2 uses, but I guess that's eyeliner. I don't know. And then the last product, this is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Mother of Pearl Gloss, and it's in the shade Corazon. It's like a lip gloss topper. Like, I could wear this on its own, I guess, but it's just really sheer. So I am wearing it today on top of a lip liner. The lip liner I put on is kind of like a peachy color. And then this is like a very golden topper color. And it is pretty. I hate the scent. Like, I feel like I taste it a little bit right now, and it's kind of grossing me out. It smells like pineapple, but like a fake pineapple. I'm not a fan. If a lip gloss is going to be scented, I want it to smell like vanilla or like cupcake. Like, I want it to smell like that. I don't want like a fruity smell, and so it's just kind of annoying. But I do think it's pretty. I've only worn it twice, and I do feel like the first time I wore it, it wore off really fast. So we'll see. It's definitely comfortable. It's not sticky like at all, which is probably why it doesn't last very long, but it looks good, I guess. I did see some of the other colors for this, and I guess this would be the color that I would choose if I were like looking at the different colors. So I guess that's a perk. And this retails for $10. So got the 5 products. Eyeshadow palette, I don't honestly know if I will use this a ton. This lip gloss, I probably will use it quite a bit depending on how long this flavor lasts on my lips. I feel like the last time I used it, I don't remember tasting it very long. And it's not like I'm like licking my lips or anything, just it kind of like seeps into your mouth, you know? And so I'm not a fan of the flavor or scent, but might keep using that. I've been very into lip gloss recently, so I appreciate that. The eyeliner, I'm pretty happy with this. I don't know honestly how much I'm gonna use it. I don't typically wear eyeliner as of late, and so I don't know if I'll use it a ton, but it is nice. The Luxie Trio, I feel like we've gotten so many Luxie brushes recently. Like I was even just going through my brushes the other day. I was cleaning them and I was like, all of these brushes I have gotten from Boxycharm. I've gotten rid of so many brushes recently, and they've all been like the brushes that I bought like outside of Boxycharm. And so I'm happy to get brushes from Boxycharm. Like I love getting brushes. I've gotten a few duplicates though. And these ones aren't my fave, honestly. Like these aren't my kind of like go-to kind of brushes. So I don't know. I guess you can take it or leave it. It's a good value and brushes are good, I guess. And then I am excited for this mask. I've been using masks pretty frequently as of late. I've been trying to get away from like sheet masks, which I have quite a few on hand that I'm trying to like work through because I've gotten them in like subscription boxes in the past. And so I want to work through them, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more conscientious. I'm just trying to be a little bit more conscious. Can't talk. I'm just trying to be a little bit more conscious about packaging and like not using a bunch of packaging. And sheet masks are like a one-time use kind of packaging, which is unfortunate. So I have been going back to just like your regular old kind of mask, and I've been really enjoying them. I try to use a mask at least like twice a week, kind of depending on what my skin feels like it needs, whether it's moisture or like acne control kind of stuff. And so I'm excited to add this one into the routine because I did like it. It did make my face feel a little tingly, which I liked. So 5 products. Overall, it's a good box. I'm not like excited about anything in this box. Like there's nothing in this box I'm like, yes, I'm super excited. I think this would be the closest thing to that feeling. But fair. Like it's not bad by any means. So, while I try to get my life together, I guess, a little bit, trying to figure out what I want Boxycharm to look like and just my channel in general, I've been just feeling challenged recently to be more real and be more me and just be a little bit more honest. I don't know. And so videos might start to look a little bit different. I do want to talk about like other things. I love makeup, and I've talked about other things in the past too, but I feel like recently I've just have been kind of like pigeonholed in the makeup thing. And so I want to start talking about other things. I love like planners. Kind of dorky. I love different like things. I don't know. So I'll probably start talking about other things again. So if you have any video ideas or like want me to talk about anything in particular, I know a few people have asked about like a get to know me kind of video, and I will be doing that soon. I've just been trying to figure out the best way to go about it, if I want to do like a Q&A kind of thing, or if I want to do like a tag where I like answer a bunch of questions, or just kind of like spill my guts and be like, hi, this is me, I'm Kelsey, okay, thanks, bye. So I don't know. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. But thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you watching my videos, and yeah, thanks for being my friend, I guess. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm off to work here in just a few minutes. Got to bike into work, so hopefully my hair still looks cute by the time I get in, because let's be real, it's humid and it's supposed to rain later, and I don't want to ruin my hair because this needs to last me another like 3 days. But just being real. Okay, Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And until next time, bye guys.